History of Pharmacy. Diseases and illness have been accompanied with the creation of mankind. However, the diseases and the treatment provided to the mankind at the prehistoric era had not been documented. During that time, people used to believe on the supernatural powers and that the sickness or diseases was due to the god's anger or due to evil forces. It is difficult to get exact picture of the nature of medicine and pharmacy practice in prehistoric age, as there is a limited access to recorded history on the substances that were used by the primitive man for treatment purposes. In the ancient time, diagnosis and treatment of diseases were prepared or provided by the same person. The roles of physician, pharmacist, and priest were often confined in one person. That's why the history of medicines has become inseparable from that of a pharmacy. Actually, the history of pharmacy is a large and complex story as it had taken different routes and approaches in different civilizations and countries. Although in our modern concept, the professional boundaries of medical practitioner and the profession of pharmacy are well defined and separated by each professional bodies. Pharmacy has firmly been grounded in science since the beginning of the 19th century. From that time, the inclusion of the subjects such as pharmacognosy, the study of the drugs of natural origin, pharmaceutical or medicinal chemistry, synthesis and analysis of drugs, pharmaceutics, preparation of pharmaceutical dosage forms, and pharmacology, concerned with the action, use of drugs and medicines, etc., was started in the pharmacy education and training curriculum. Due to the discoveries and development of new drugs and medicines, and the way to prepare, present, and dispensing them, the emergence of the pharmacy profession came forward, and pharmacy as a separate profession has been evolved since the beginning of the 19th century. However, to get exact historical features about the evolution and development of medicines and pharmacy, it is necessary to focus on the following historical eras: prehistoric ages, ancient ages or historical era, middle ages, and modern times.